Scottsdale homeowners, right now, the City of Scottsdale is offering up to $5,000 to remove your turf and replace it with some sort of rock or other alternative to get rid of the grass, the heavily water used grass here in our greater Phoenix area. So right now, Scottsdale residents, you can do it up through the 31st of October this year, 2025. Your application needs to be submitted through the City of Scottsdale. We'll make sure to add all the links here to this blog or on the description of my YouTube channel here, that you can get up to $2 per square foot of turf that you're removing from your property. You must be a Scottsdale Water customer, and you must get the pre-approval before removing your grass. So make certain that you get all your I's dotted, your T's crossed, and we'll make sure to add all the links on how to do this here on our, like I said, on this description. So make sure that you leave the existing grass in place before you actually move forward with any of this. We can actually get a bid submitted for you and help you along with this process. But the work must be completed by Halloween of 2025. So if this is something that you're interested in, if it was something you were considering, it's a great way to get some money back from your city. If you want to reach out to us, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. You can reach out to us at our website at azlawns.com or call us at 602-944-0421. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Instagram and X, formerly Twitter, at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.